अथ नवमोऽध्यायः। श्रीभगवानुवाच इदं तु ते गुह्यतमं प्रवक्ष्याम्यनसूयवे ज्ञानं विज्ञानसहितं यज्ञात्वा मोक्ष्यसे शुभात्।
The Supreme Personality of Godhead said, My dear Arjuna, because you are never envious of me, I shall impart to you this most confidential knowledge and realization, knowing which you shall be relieved of the miseries of material existence.
Raja Vidya Raja Guhyam Pavitram Idamuttamam Pratyakshaavagamam Dharmyam Susukham Kartumavyayam.
This knowledge is the king of education, the most secret of all secrets. It is the purest knowledge, and because it gives direct perception of the self by realization, it is the perfection of religion. It is everlasting, and it is joyfully performed.
Ashraddhanaah purushaah dharmasyasya param tapa aprapya mam nivartante mrityu samsara vartmani.
Those who are not faithful in this devotional service cannot attain me, O conqueror of enemies. Therefore they return to the path of birth and death in this material world.
Maya tatam idam sarvam jagadam vyaktamurtina masthani sarvabhutani najaham teshvavasthitaha.
By me, in my unmanifested form, this entire universe is pervaded. All beings are in me, but I am not in them.
Nacha masthani bhutani pashyame yogamaishwaram bhutabhinna cha bhutastho mahatma bhutabhavanaha.
And yet everything that is created does not rest in me. Behold my mystic opulence. Although I am the maintainer of all living entities, and although I am everywhere, I am not a part of this cosmic manifestation, for myself is the very source of creation.
Yathakashasthito nityam vayuhu sarvatra gomahan tatha sarvani bhutani matsthani tupadharaya.
Understand that, as the mighty wind, blowing everywhere, rests always in the sky, all created beings rest in me.
Sarva bhutani kaunteya prakritim yanti mamikam kalpakshaye punaha tani kalpado visrujamyagam.
O son of Kunti, at the end of the millennium, all material manifestations enter into my nature, and at the beginning of another millennium, by my potency, I create them again.
Prakritim sam avashyabhya visrujami पुनः पुनः भूतग्रामम् इमं कृत्स्नम् अवशं प्रकृतेर्वशात्.
The whole cosmic order is under me. Under my will, it is automatically manifested again and again, and under my will, it is annihilated at the end.
न च मां तानि कर्माणि निबध्नन्ति धनञ्जय. उदासीनवदासीनम् असक्तं तेषु कर्मसु.
O Dhananjaya, all this work cannot bind me. I am ever detached from all these material activities, seated as though neutral.
मयाध्यक्षेण प्रकृतिः सूयते सचराचरम्. हेतुनानेन कौन्तेय जगत् विपरिवर्तते.
This material nature, which is one of my energies, is working under my direction, O son of Kunti, producing all moving and non-moving beings. Under its rule, this manifestation is created and annihilated again and again.
अवजानाति मां मूढाः मानुषीं तनुमाश्रितम्. परं भावमजानन्तो मम भूतमहेश्वरम्.
Fools deride me when I descend in the human form. They do not know my transcendental nature as the Supreme Lord of all that be.
मोघाशा मोघकर्माणो मोघज्ञाना विचेतसः. राक्षसीम् आसुरीं चैव प्रकृतिं मोहिनीं श्रिताः.
Those who are thus bewildered are attracted by demonic and atheistic views. In that deluded condition, their hopes for liberation, their fruitive activities, and their culture of knowledge are all defeated.
मगात्मानस्तु मां पार्थ दैवीं प्रकृतिम् आश्रिताः. भजन्ति अनन्यमनसो ज्ञात्वा भूतादिम् अव्ययम्.
O son of Pritha, those who are not deluded, the great souls, are under the protection of the divine nature. They are fully engaged in devotional service because they know me as the Supreme Personality of Godhead, original and inexhaustible.
सततं कीर्तयन्तो माम् यतन्तश्च दृढो व्रताः. नमस्यन्तश्च मां भक्त्या नित्ययुक्ताः उपासते.
Always chanting my glories, endeavoring with great determination, bowing down before me, these great souls perpetually worship me with devotion.
ज्ञानयज्ञेन चाप्यन्ये यजन्तो माम् उपासते. एकत्वेन पृथक्त्वेन बहुधा विश्वतो मुखम्.
Others, who engage in sacrifice by the cultivation of knowledge, worship the Supreme Lord as the one without a second, as diverse in many and in the universal form.
Aham kratuhu aham yajnaga swadhagamagamaaushadham mantrogamagamevadyam ahamagniragam hutam.
But it is I who am the ritual, I the sacrifice, the offering to the ancestors, the healing herb, the transcendental chant. I am the butter and the fire and the offering.
Pitagamasya jagato mata dhata pitamagaga vedyam pavitram omkara ritsamaya jurevacha.
I am the father of this universe, the mother, the support and the grandsire. I am the object of knowledge, the purifier and the syllable Om. I am also the Rig, the Sama and the Yajur Vedas.
Gatir bharta prabhu sakshi nivasagha sharanam suhrit prabhavagha pralayagha sthanam nidhanam bijamavyayam.
I am the goal, the sustainer, the master, the witness, the abode, the refuge and the most dear friend. I am the creation and the annihilation, the basis of everything, the resting place and the eternal seed.
Tapamyahamaham varsham nigruhnami utsrujami cha amritam chaiva mrityuscha sadasachaham Arjuna.
O Arjuna, I give heat and I withhold and send forth the rain. I am immortality and I am also death personified. Both spirit and matter are in me.
Traividyamam somapagha utapapagha yajne ishva swargatim prarthayante te punyam asadhya surendra lokam ashyanti divyam divi deva bhogan.
Those who study the Vedas and drink the Soma juice, seeking the heavenly planets, worship me indirectly. Purified of sinful reactions, they take birth on the pious heavenly planet of Indra, where they enjoy godly delights.
Tetam bhuktva swargalokam vishalam Shine punye martyalokam vishanti Yevam trayi dharmam anuprapanna तथागतं कामकामाः लभन्ते.
When they have thus enjoyed vast heavenly sense pleasure, and the results of their pious activities are exhausted, they return to this mortal planet again. Thus, those who seek sense enjoyment by adhering to the principles of the three Vedas achieve only repeated birth and death.
अनन्याः चिन्तयन्तो माम् ये जनाः पर्युपासते तेषां नित्याभियुक्तानां योगक्षेमं वहाम्यहम्.
But those who always worship me with exclusive devotion, meditating on my transcendental form, to them I carry what they lack, and I preserve what they have.
येऽप्यन्यदेवता भक्ताः यजन्ते श्रद्धयान्विताः तेऽपि मामेव कौन्तेय यजन्ति अविधिपूर्वकम्.
Those who are devotees of other gods and who worship them with faith actually worship only me, O son of Kunti, but they do so in a wrong way.
Aham hi sarvayajnanam bhokta cha prabhudeva cha na tu mam abhijananti tatvenatasthyavanti te.
I am the only enjoyer and master of all sacrifices. Therefore, those who do not recognize my true transcendental nature fall down.
Yanti devavrataga devan pitrun yanti pitruvrataga bhutani yanti bhutejyaga yanti madhyajinopi mam.
Those who worship the demigods will take birth among the demigods. Those who worship the ancestors go to the ancestors. Those who worship ghosts and spirits will take birth among such beings. And those who worship me will live with me.
Patram pushpam phalam toyam yo me bhaktya prayachati tadagam bhakyupakritam ashnami prayatatmanaha.
If one offers me with love and devotion a leaf, a flower, fruit or water, I will accept it.
Yat karoshi yadashnasi yajjuhoshi dadasi yat yattapasyasi kaunteya tatkurushva madarpanam.
Whatever you do, whatever you eat, whatever you offer or give away, and whatever austerities you perform, do that, O son of Kunti, as an offering to me.
Shubha shubha phalairevam mokshase karma bandhanaihi sannyasa yoga yuktatma vimukto mam upaishyasi.
In this way, you will be freed from bondage to work and its auspicious and inauspicious results. With your mind fixed on me in this principle of renunciation, you will be liberated and come to me.
Samoham sarvabhuteshu na me dveshyosti na priyaga ye bhajanti tumam bhaktya maite teshu chapyagam.
I envy no one, nor am I partial to anyone. I am equal to all. But whoever renders service unto me in devotion is a friend, is in me, and I am also a friend to him.
Api chet suduracharo bhajate mam anandya bhag sadhureva mantavyaga samyagyavasito hi saga.
Even if one commits the most abominable action, if he is engaged in devotional service, he is to be considered saintly because he is properly situated in his determination.
Kshipram bhavati dharmatma shashvat shantim nigacchati kaunteya pratijanihi name bhaktaha pranashyati.
He quickly becomes righteous and attains lasting peace. O son of Kunti, declare it boldly that my devotee never perishes.
Mam hi partha vyapashritya yepi syuhu papayonayaha striyo vaishyaha tatha shudraha tepi yanti param gatim.
O son of Pritha, those who take shelter in me, though they be of lower birth, women, Vaishyas and Shudras, can attain the supreme destination.
Kim punar brahmanaha punyaha bhaktaha rajarshayas tatha anityam asukham lokam imam prapya bhajasva mam.
How much more this is so of the righteous Brahmanas, the devotees and the saintly kings. Therefore, having come to this temporary, miserable world, engage in loving service unto me.
Malmana bhava madbhakto madhyaji mam namaskuro mame vaishyasi yuktaivam atmanam matparayanaga.
Engage your mind always in thinking of me. Become my devotee. Offer obeisances to me and worship me. Being completely absorbed in me, surely you will come to me.
Om Tat Saditi Srimad Bhagavad Gitasu Upanishatsu Brahma Vidyayam Yoga Shastre Shri Krishna Arjuna Samvade Raja Vidya Raja Gukhya Yogo Nama Navamodhyayaha.